In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design websites using a tool called Grok. Designing websites might seem daunting at first, but with the right steps, it can become an enjoyable and rewarding experience. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to open your web browser and go to Google. It's the starting point for most of us on the internet and a great place to begin finding the resources we need. Once you're on Google, type Grok into the search bar. Grok is a powerful tool that we'll be using to assist in website design, and searching for it on Google will help you quickly locate the official site. Now that you've searched for Grok, look for the official website link in the search results and click on it. This will take you to the Grok homepage, where you'll have access to the tools and resources they offer. Familiarizing yourself with Grok is beneficial if you're looking to streamline your website design process. Once on the Grok website, it's time to start getting creative by making a prompt. Think of this prompt as the foundation for your website design. This is the opportunity to outline the key elements and goals you want for your website. Be as detailed as possible, as this information will guide your design process on Grok. After crafting your prompt, the next step is to click Submit. This will send your ideas and requirements to Grok's system, allowing the platform to work its magic. The submission process is simple but integral. It's how Grok understands your design needs. With your prompt submitted, you'll need to wait for the results. This is often a brief moment, and it's an exciting time because it's where all the planning starts to come to life. The platform processes your prompt and provides you with initial designs or insights that can be the building blocks of your final product. Once the results load, you'll want to click Preview. Previewing allows you to see the initial designs based on your prompt. It's a crucial step because it lets you evaluate how well the designs align with your vision and make any necessary adjustments before moving forward. And that's it. With these steps, you're on your way to designing a website using Grok. The combination of planning, prompting, and previewing gives you a strong start in creating a website that meets your specifications. Remember to take your time exploring the options and resources available through Grok, as this platform is designed to make website design easier and more accessible. Thank you for joining me today, and happy designing!